Good morning, children. Sairam. I hope you all are fine. Children, today we are going to do an activity. In the previous class, we have done an activity that is colors and shape. But today, we are going to do a new activity. So, let's start. So, children, today we are going to do a new activity, and that is sponge printing. Now, children, see what is this? This is a sponge. Today we are going to do an activity with the help of this sponge. So, children, first I will show you a rainbow. Today we are going to make a rainbow with the help of this sponge. But before that, I will explain you about a rainbow. So, children, this is a rainbow. So, children, do you know how many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. A rainbow is of different colors. Now, I'll teach you about those different colors. And the first color is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Now, see, look at this plate, this colorful plate. Here, 7 colors are there: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Now, we are going to start an activity. Here, you have to take a sheet first, and another object is a sponge. We need these two things to do this activity. Now, the first color of rainbow is violet. So first we will dip this sponge in a violet color and paste it here like this. Again we will take that color and then again paste it. So this is how we will do this sponge painting. Here our first rainbow is done. Now let's go to the second rainbow, and that is indigo. Our second rainbow is indigo. Now take a sponge and then again dip it and paste it here. This is our indigo color. The same process will be done in the second rainbow. Here our second color is also done. So now next come to the third color of rainbow, that is blue color. Now take a sponge and dip it and paste it here in the third rainbow. Here also we will do the same process, but children, make sure it should be done very carefully. Here the third color is also going to be over. Now the next color of rainbow is green color. Here again we will dip with the help of sponge and paste it in the fourth line. This is the fourth color of a rainbow, that is green color. So here also we will do the same process. Our fourth rainbow is also done. Now the next we will take yellow color. So now what we have to do is, again we will take a sponge and dip it in yellow color and paste it here. Here also we will do the same process. See how I'm doing. You also do like this only. Now yellow color is also done. Now the next color is orange. So here we will do orange. This is the sixth color of a rainbow. Orange color is the sixth color of a rainbow. Here also we will do the same process as we have done in the previous colors. But children, do it very carefully. See how I'm doing. You also have to do in the same way. Here our orange color is done. Now next is red color. Red color is the seventh color of rainbow. That means the last color of rainbow. Here also we will do the same process. After this our rainbow will be complete. So children, here our rainbow is done. See how lovely it is looking. So children, try this activity at your home. You will really enjoy it. Okay? So children, I hope you all have enjoyed this activity. So you also try this activity at your home. Okay? Thank you all. Sai Ram.